Hi guys, this is Bridget, my beautiful student. We're going to demonstrate to you one of the tips for learning, practicing, and be engaged to the music we're learning. Bridget, can you please explain a little bit what we learned today?
Sure. So thanks for having me, guys. In order to stay engaged and concentrated in any kind of piece you're playing, it's really important, as Miss Elsa suggested, to sing or hum the melody. And when I did that, it really helped me. So I'll just give an example of a melody here.
Yes, so could
It's
be low key, could be high key, could be any register what is comfortable for you. The point is you wanna play like as you sing, and when you have this anticipation of what you wanna produce, you're gonna be stay focused and concentrate. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bridget, and
Bye.
we hope you learned something from us.